Dear 8th class students, very good morning. This is M. Shekhar sir. Today question number 6. See our mathematics textbook page number 236. Okay, lesson name direct and indirect proportion. See this one, direct and indirect proportion. Page number 236, exercise 10.1. Question number 6 already. Question number 5 up to 5 questions over yesterday. Today class question number 6 onward. A vertical pole of 56 meters height cast as shadow 3.2 meters long. At the same time, find the length of the shadow cast by another pole is 10.5 meters height. And the second question, the height of the pole which cast a shadow 5 meters long. One pole is there, the pole height is 5.6 meters. So that one pole shadow 3.2 meters. ఒక పోల్ ఉంది, స్తంభం ఉంది, ఆ స్తంభం యొక్క హైట్ 5.6, దాని నీడ 3.2 meters ఉంది. ఓకేనా, one pole height 5.6, that shadow 3.2 meters. Okay, they asking question, the length of the shadow, what is the length of the shadow cast by another pole 10.5 meters height. One pole is there, that one is 5.6 meters height. The first pole 5.6 meter height, that one shadow 3.2 centimeter. At the same time, at the same situation, what is the shadow length? The pole height is 10.5. Okay, we got question. At the same time, the pole height is 10.5 meters. So what is the shadow? See this one, 5.6 meters height of the pole shadow is equal to 3.2. So 5.6 meter height of the pole shadow is equal to 3.2. 10.5 meters height of the pole shadow is equal to question mark. Here x1 is it is a direct or indirect proportion. One check this question. Here shadow 5.6, sorry, height 5.6, shadow 3.2. Here now height 10.5, here height 5.6, here height 10.5, here increased, shadow also increased, and both are same increase and both are same decrease. It is belongs to direct proportion. So that's why he have to take x1 by x2 is equal to y1 by y2. What is the x1 value? 5.6 meter. What is the y1 value? 3.2 meters. What is the x2 value? 10.5 meter. What is the y2 value? It means y2 value means second pole shadow. So what is the formula? x1 by x2 is equal to y1 by y2. Okay, we keep box for every formula in mathematics. Please keep box for this formula. So do cross multiplication. We have to find y2 value. Do cross multiplication, x1 into y2. These two are multiplication. X1 into, see this one, this two one. X1 into y2 is equal to y1 into x2. X1 into y2 is equal to y1 into x2. We need y2 value. So x1 converted into right hand side. What is your operation? Multiplication operation. So convert the right hand side division operation. 1 minute. ఓకే, ఛార్జర్ ఫోన్కి నన్ను ఎక్కువైంది, అందుకని సౌండ్ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సీ దిస్ వన్, it is belongs to direct proportion. Okay, y2 value, y2 is equal to y1 into x2 by x1. What is the y1 value? 3.2 into x2 value 10.5 by x1 value 5.6. So 3.2 into 10.5, 33.6. So 33.6 by 5.6, it is exactly cancelling 6 times. So what is the 6? See this one, 10.5 meters height of the pole shadow is equal to 6 meters. The length of the shadow is equal to 6 meters. So here 5.6 meter height of the pole shadow 3.2, 10.5 meters height of the pole shadow is equal to 6. Okay, both are increase and both are decrease. It belongs to negative proportion. Next, second question. Now see what is the second question in the question number 6. The height of the pole which cast a shadow 5 meter long. They are asking what is the height of the pole. Shadow is 5 meters. So it is second Roman. What is the first? What is the first question? They asking. They gave height. What is the shadow? But second question, what is the height? Here gave shadow. X1 value 5.6, same. Y1 value 3.2. Here came Y2 value 5. Shadow is gave. Here pole, these two are pole heights, these two are shadows. Okay, what is the pole shadow? 5 meters. What is the pole height? We have to find this one. So please keep box for this one formula. It is also direct proportion. X1 by x2 is equal to y1 by y2. We do x2 value, so do cross multiplication. X1 into y2 is equal to y1 into x2. So we need x2 values, that's why y1 transfer to left hand side. Here into is a convert the left hand side division. What is the x1 value? 5.6. What is the y2 value? 5. 5.6 into 5 by y1 value 3.2. 5.6 into 5 by 3.2 means 5.6 into 5, 28.0 is there. 28 by 3.2. So 28 by 3.2 means 8.75. So what is the 8.75? It is a height of the pole. So here pole height is 8.75. The shadow is 5 meters. Okay. Okay. Next question. Seventh question. Important question. A loaded truck travel 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. If the speed remains the same, how far can it travel in 5 hours? Once understand this question. One truck is there, a loaded truck. In 25 minutes, they take 14 kilometers. 25 minutes, how much distance travel? 14 kilometers. Just 25 minutes, 14 kilometer travel. Okay, the speed is no increase and no decrease. It is maintain constant speed. Okay, speed is same, but they asking just he travel 14 kilometers in 25 minutes. So how many kilometer travel in 5 hours? 25 minutes just to travel in 14 kilometers. So how many kilometer travel in 5 hours? Now see this one answer. A distance travel by distance travel పెట్టుకున్నాను traveled by in 25 minutes. A distance travel by in 25 minutes is equal to 14 kilometer. A distance travel by బస్సు కాదు నా ట్రక్ అని పెట్టుకోండి. ఇది truck in 5 hours is equal to question mark. So what is the x1 value? 14 km. And here x1 x2 value kilometers. So y1 y2 value belongs to time. So what is the x1? 14 kilometers. So what is the y1? 25 minutes. 25 minutes converted into hours. So 25, it is minutes converted into hours. So 25 by 60. 25 by 60, 5 table cancel 25 5 times, so at a time 60 12 times, so 5 by 12 hours. So what is the x2? X2 means in 5 hours how many kilometer travel. So we don't know, that's why I keep here question mark. But here time is given. What is the time? 5 hours. It is belongs to direct proportion, because here time is increased, the travel the distance also increased. The time is decreased, the distance also decrease. అంటే టైం పెరిగే కొద్దిగా ఎక్కువ దూరం వెళ్తుంది, టైం తగ్గే కొద్దిగా తక్కువ దూరం వెళ్తుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు డైరెక్ట్ ప్రపోర్షన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డైరెక్ట్ ప్రపోర్షన్ ఫార్ములా? x1 by x2 is equal to y1 by y2. So we need which one value? X2 value. See this one, cross multiplication. X1 into y2 is equal to x2 into y1. We need x2 value, that's why y1 converted to left hand side. X1 into y2 by y1, x1 into y2 by y1 is equal to x2. What is the x1 value? See this one, x1 value 14. What is the y2 value? What is the y2 value? 5. 14 into 5 by, what is the y2, y1 value? 5 by 12. 5 by 12. So here denominator again fraction is there. 12 belongs to numerator. 12 అనేది న్యూమరేటర్ సంబంధించిన మ్యాథ్స్ రూల్ ప్రకారం. సో 14 into 5 into 12 by 5. 5 cancel. 14 12s are 168. Okay, so what is the x2? See this one, x2, the distance traveled by truck in 5 hours is equal to 168 kilometers. Okay, not bus, this one right here, truck traveled by in 5 hours. ఇదంటే ట్రక్ ట్రావెల్ బై 168 కిలోమీటర్ ఇన్ 5 అవర్స్. లేదంటే ట్రక్ ట్రావెల్ బై, ఇటు రాసుకోండి, ఈ సెంటెన్స్ ఇలా రాసుకోండి. ట్రక్ ట్రావెల్ బై 168 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఇన్ 5 అవర్స్. ఓకే, 25 minutes just it is take 14 kilometers. 5 hours just it is take 168 kilometers. It is a important question. FA1 questions, sorry, FA1, FA2 or SA exams. Okay, please note these two questions. In the second video I will send remaining questions. Okay, first write these two questions. Don't write harabari writing, we have to write neatly. Okay.